Learn this word to speak English sentences with manners. Please. Please. Thanks. Thanks. Welcome. Welcome. Kindly. Kindly. Allow me. Allow me. After you. After you. Sorry. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Pardon. Pardon. That is all right. That is all right. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Here are some polite sentences. Don't say sentences like this. Give me your phone. Give me your phone. Come here. Can I smoke here? No. I hate this color. Say sentences like this. May I have your phone, please? Could you come here? Would you mind if I smoke here? No, thanks. I am not too fond of this color.